Hi guys, yesterday I totally screwed up 2 entire video recordings because the audio failed, it went bad. Yesterday I thought, let's try this one again, quick and dirty and simple, and if it turns out to fail, I will always have another audio recording.
It did not record. It just did not record. This. Not recording.
On the first video, I failed to turn on the Osmo because I had to change batteries.
10% battery. Not good.
And after changing the batteries, I forgot to push the button.
You have to pay attention to so many things, so many cameras, so many settings, so many circumstances, that once in a while you forget something. Sorry guys. Next time I hope we will do better.
And that meant the only audio I had was this one. And that one failed. So the audio was really bad. But I could hear myself a little bit. So I pumped up the volume. And in Audio Audition, I removed all the noise.
It just did not record. This. Not recording.
And you can still hear it a little bit, but it's really bad. So I had 2 options: either use this bad pumped up recovered audio with subtitles, or entirely redo that video. I don't like redoing videos, so this is what you have. I'm at this location, this quarry, and you can also look at it like this. There was a spaceship down in that quarry, hidden. I didn't know it, but they did not like me filming out there, so they beamed out their signals just to destroy my audio footage stuff, okay? And that's what you're hearing in the background. So with that in your mind, the video will even be more interesting. Alright? Enjoy.
Guys, Peter, not your average guy on the Nevermind Your Own YouTube channel. This is a shooting range. I saw a sign out there that said this is a shooting range, but I don't hear anything, and I checked, there's nobody there, so it should be safe. It's like a quarry, and I think then they started to use it as a shooting range. But it's just a nice location to explore it with the drone. And this time I'm gonna fly the Mavic Air with the goggles. Calibration, yeah, that's the same problem we had earlier.
Magnetic interference. Maybe because it's on the car, that might be a problem. And now it is alright.
Aircraft disconnected. You can see the drone across the door now. You see, and now the calibration is gone. So, record, launch the drone, put on the goggles, and go up, camera down a little bit, probably like this. I have to get used to the sticks. Look, isn't that funny? It's all wrapped with weather. I want to take a nice shot. It's free this area, so I can safely fly sideways. And this. Wow, look at how red that is. And I should go back. And what's down here? Nothing. Couple of trees. And now I'm going low, and I don't know if I will lose connection. Right now it's already. So this is you can carefully see how red it is. It almost looks like blood. Wow. I want to fly back and up. See if I can get everything in view. More like that, Really to the right. Oh, is that a shot? I want to do something because I know that there is something like a quick shot until when recording stops. Okay, so I have to stop recording. I go to advanced flight modes. I do quick shot. I don't want to do a drone. The circle, helix, rocket, boomerang. That's right. Now, I thought I could make like a panoramic shot. Now I have to do photos. I want to make photos because it is just incredible. I put the camera up a little bit, maybe go back a little bit and up like this, and then put the camera up a little bit. What? Oh, what a picture, man. Okay. I thought I could make a panoramic shot, but that's the Osmo. You can do that with the Osmo.
Okay, since I was talking about it, making a panorama, and I screwed up with the Osmo, I will show you how this is going.
You want to make it, you're going to stand really still. It's generating panoramas. And then, but anyway, this is just gorgeous. Okay, let's go flying then and see if we can see more. Let's go forward. Let's go up a little bit. I will not lose. Signal while I'm doing this. Oh, I can see stuff out here. Yeah, I'm losing signal. I'm going to go up a little bit. But I see stuff here. I think so. Maybe you use that too. Well, I'm losing signal here. There's a cabin. There is this. You can see it well. Let's fly over this edge. like this. Lift it up. I'm going to fly a little bit higher because I keep losing the signal. It has hiccups, and then it cannot fly very smooth. So I don't want it to sit there. 1, 2, 3. So like this. But I think from here it's also nice to see the surroundings. So let's turn around a little bit. We're in a mountainous area. And now you can also determine how good this panning is. I think it's nice driving with the quad. How good the panning is at it. There's also this red. I don't know what this is really. You know what I want to do? I want to just hang above it, put the camera down, and go up. That's what I want to do. Maybe, I'm first going up. I thought maybe first go down and then go up. So let's go up first, so I have a good view of everything. Actually, I think the water is brown for some reason, but because it's getting lighter, it looks red and then orange. So thing is, you want to have it in good view. It's weird. Difficult to position. Now it's I want something like this. Everything good. Now we can go down. Take up a non-P mode, triple plug mode. Oh, actually, I don't think this is a really spectacular shot. Going down like this. Let's finish it anyway since we started it. Now you can start to see the water. This is the water. 2 meters. We're going to look together. Good signal. Almost 4 minutes. No, I'm not going for it. I should be able to see it, but I can't see it from the outside. I think this is good. And then we go up. And it's a lot slower than the Phantom. The Phantom is so much faster. When you do this kind of shot. I think this is nice. It's what I do. It is funny, it's red. So let's put the camera up. Look. Let's try to do some kind of round shot. Nah, that's very good. You know, I want to. Yeah. I want to like lower and then fly above this thing and then make a turn. And of course, it's also due to the fact that I'm used to the Phantom, which is just quicker. And then I am not able to handle it as well as I do with the Phantom. And it means you will need more practice to get it right. I think that's an issue. But anyway, I'm gonna land it on the palm of my hand. Come. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more bloody lakes. Did I actually say that? Anyway, see you on the next video. It did not record. It just did not record. This. Not recording. There's a problem.
You have to pay attention to so many things, so many cameras, so many settings, so many circumstances, that once in a while you forget something. Sorry guys. Next time I hope we will do better. Bye.